In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete web browser cache on Steam. If you've noticed the Steam store or community pages loading slowly inside the client, or pages in the in-game overlay not behaving correctly, clearing the built-in web browser cache can give you a quick refresh and fix many odd display or loading issues. This process only affects Steam's own embedded browser, not Chrome, Edge, or any other browser you use outside of Steam, and it does not touch your games or save files. Start by opening the Steam desktop app. Look toward the very top left of the window for the Steam menu. Click that, and then choose Settings from the drop-down. This is the main control center for your client preferences, and it's where the browser data tools live. Inside the Settings window, find and select the in-game section in the left sidebar. This is where options related to the Steam overlay and its built-in browser are grouped. On this page, you'll see a control labeled Web Browser or Web Browser Data. Click the Delete option here. Steam will ask you to confirm that you want to remove cached files and related temporary data. Go ahead and confirm. Steam will quickly clear the cache and any saved cookies used by its embedded browser. That's really all there is to it. Once the process completes, pages inside Steam's client and the in-game overlay will behave as if they're being loaded for the first time again. If you had websites you stayed signed into through Steam's browser, you may need to log into those sites again the next time you visit them within Steam. This is normal, since cookies are part of what gets cleared. A few quick notes to keep expectations clear. This action won't uninstall anything, change your library, or remove your Steam account from the app. It strictly targets the temporary web data used by Steam's internal browser. It's also safe to do anytime you notice sluggish page loads, broken layouts, or stale content in store or community tabs. If your goal was to free up a bit of space or resolve quirky behavior in the overlay, you should now be set. The next time you open the store, community, or use the overlay to check guides, market listings, or patch notes, you should see fresher, faster results. And that's it. Open the Steam menu, head to Settings, go to In-Game, delete the web browser data, confirm, and you're done. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother Steam experience.